Hey everybody, Daniel here with Screenly. Today we're really excited to show you how to display a Domo data dashboard on your Screenly digital sign. Domo is uh, probably one of the longest standing BI platforms. They have a lot of really big enterprise customers. And just like is the case with all dashboarding tools, if people don't see the data, it doesn't matter. Tons of work can go into it, but if people aren't seeing it, they're not acting on it. And one way to fix that is by showing those dashboards on digital signs. So today, we're going to jump in and show you how to display your Domo dashboards on Screenly. So the first thing to do is to log into your online Screenly account. If you don't have an account, you can get started with a 30-day free trial and follow along. So nothing holding you back there. Once you get started, click the Screens tab on the left-hand menu, and then you're going to click the Add Screen button. What we have here is an option to use a ScreenLink player, which is a physical device, or you can use ScreenLink Anywhere, which is our browser-based digital signage player. And we're going to be using that today. So click on ScreenLink Anywhere. And then below here, you see the URL anywhere.screenly.io. We're going to click on that. This brings us to our browser-based screen, and we see a pairing code. So right now there's no content going to this screen, and we have to connect this screen with our online Screenly account. So we're going to type in that pairing code here, F7SK, okay, F7SK, the next four, 9Z6U, 9Z6U. We're going to type in a name for that screen. We're going to call it test screen. Now remember that the pairing code ITest put in just now is unique for my screen. So you'll also have a unique pairing code, but of course it will be unique. So click the add button here when you're done. And what that's going to do is add this test screen to your account. If you click screen here, you can see that the test screen is there. So the next step is we need to get the Domo dashboard share link and add it as a content item in our online Screenly account. So to do that, we're going to navigate to our Domo account, and we're going to go to our dashboard that we want to display. Click on the dashboard, and then on the top right here, you'll see a share icon. And I don't want you to click share. Instead, go down below and click where it says Domo Everywhere. Click the embed dashboard link. That'll give a bunch of options, but one thing we got to make sure is that here in embed options, it says public. Okay, we're going to click that, and then we have a share link here. We're going to copy that link. One quick note, if you're not seeing that process work for you, click the more option here and then admin, and then below with Domo Everywhere, you can click settings. Okay, and then you can go here in the settings tab, click the allow public embedding of cards and dashboards. And then also on the embed here at the top on the right hand side, it says cards and dashboards. Click dashboards, and any of your live dashboards, you can click the checkbox, and then up on the top right, click edit, and then you can do update embed type. And right now ours is set to public here, but we'll set it again just to be sure, and then click update. So if you do those steps, you should be able to get the share link as I showed you just before. So now that we have the share link, we're going to go back to our Screenly online dashboard, and we're going to go to the content tab here on the left-hand side. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to click the plus new content button on the top right, click URL in the pop-up modal, and then we're going to paste the public share link for our Domo dashboard in the URL link field. And we're going to then click finish. Okay, it's adding the content item to our account. And once that loads here shortly, we're going to give the content item an appropriate name so that we'll be able to find it later. So here we got our dashboard here displaying beautifully, and we're going to give it a name. We can call this the Domo dashboard. And then on the bottom right, we're going to click save. Okay, perfect. Now it's saved to our account. So the next thing we have to do is create a playlist, and that's going to hold our content and allow us to schedule it as we'd like. We're going to click playlist here on the left-hand side. On the top right of the new screen, the plus new playlist button. We're going to type it and call it Domo playlist or whatever else is relevant to you. A couple of things here. So under the plays on section, we need to assign our test screen that we just added. So this is telling Screenly, and be sure to click save. This is telling Screenly, okay, we want this playlist that we're building to display on this screen. In the schedule section, just make sure to click a date before the present date so that the content will start displaying immediately. And then by content, click the plus button, and then we're going to search for our Domo dashboard here. We're going to click the plus, and then we're going to click done. Okay, and you can adjust the duration here. If there's just one content item, it actually doesn't matter because it's just going to continuously loop. But we can set it to 30 seconds here. Okay, and we're going to click save. All right, so almost there. So we have here in the playlist, you can see that we have the playlist name. It's displaying the content here that we just added, and it's playing on our test screen. So this is perfect. So if we go to our screens tab here on the left-hand side, we can actually verify that again, and we see that our Domo dashboard is queued up to play on our screen. Okay, and here if we click our added screen, we see that the dashboard is actually playing just as described. So that's it. Pretty simple, but here we went from our Domo dashboard to our online Screenly account, loaded it up as a content piece, assigned it to a playlist, and then tied that screen into the playlist, and then there you go. You have your dashboard displaying on a digital sign. Now with Screenly, you can do this for one or multiple screens and manage your digital signs at scale. We have also a ton of other tutorials showing you how to get data from third-party apps into your digital signs. So I encourage you to check those out. And thanks for watching today. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.